Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by lifting and supporting the car safely. Use jack stands so there's no movement. Once elevated, remove the wheel or move any splash shields so the sway bar link is visible. Clean around the grease fitting and boot. Dirt wrecks new grease. You want a clear work area. Remove surface grime with a rag and degreaser and inspect the dust boot. If the boot is torn, replace it before greasing because dirt will contaminate the joint. You choose a chassis-rated lithium grease and load the grease gun. Hand pumps or cartridges both work. Once loaded, press the coupler onto the Zerk fitting until it clicks. This ensures no slippage. Pump in short bursts, watching the boot and joint area. If you see grease extruding from the boot seam, stop and wipe excess. That indicates the joint is filling. Make sure the link moves slightly as you pump, which forces grease into bearing surfaces rather than just the fitting. You disconnect the grease gun, immediately wipe away excess to prevent dirt pickup, and flex the sway bar link by hand so grease works into the joint. If you removed any hardware, tighten to the manufacturer torque. If the dust boot was damaged, replace it now. Once reassembled, lower the vehicle and take a short, slow test drive. Listen for clunks and recheck the fitting for leaks. If noise or play remains, the link may be worn and require.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.